Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today I've got a really cool one for you. We'll be checking out the Logitech G Pro X headset, which is in this box. So stay tuned after the intro. Alright, and welcome back. So let's get right into it. I've got the box here. It arrived this morning, so I already took off the tape just to make things a little bit easier. And here we have it already, wrapped inside some white packaging it seems. So let's get this out of here, and that's it. And here we have it. So it seems like they've wrapped it in some kind of white packaging, which is a new thing I've never seen before. So let's just get this off. And wow, here we have already, this is I think the back side of it. Let's take this out of this paper and turn it around. So these are the Logitech G Pro X headsets. There's 3 different versions available now. I went for the Pro X just because they are wired and they have the blue voice functionality. There's a G Pro which are also wired but don't have the blue voice, and there's also a wireless version, but I don't want to bother with charging things, and these also had a really good offer on them right now, so this is how I got them. So having a look around the box, here on the front we see a really beautiful representation of the headset itself in this really nice glossy text as well. Here on the side we see here it's the just some logos of esports players using this, which is very cool to see. And here on the back, I think we've already seen this, it's this really awesome kind of effect they've got going on. And on the other side, package contents, which we'll be taking a look at right now. So there's these little tabs here. All right, so let's get into it. Ooh. So it looks like there's a pull tab here, so let's just pull this right out. And wow, here we have it. So first thing that we can see here is the headset itself wrapped in some kind of foil. We've got the USB adapter here on the side, so let's just take this right out. So this is the USB adapter, and this is what will give us the blue voice technology. Okay, next we have the headset. And wow, okay, this is a nice feeling plastic, I must say. And it is wrapped in some kind of snake. And here we have it. Let's just put these by side and see what else is included. So going deeper into the box, back here what I can see is the pouch, and this seems to be like a really nice soft kind of fabric-y pouch. And here on the other side we've got some additional ear cups. So these are the also I think fabric ear cups. And in this pouch we just got out of the bag, there's some more stuff inside. So we've got the microphone itself, which will attach to the headset. We've got different kinds of cables. So it looks like here we have one short cable which is meant for connecting like directly to your phone, and one longer cable which is meant to be connected to the little blue voice adapter. And this is a quick overview of what we've got here in the box. So we've got the headset, we've got the audio cables which are really nicely made. This one's a more rubberized feel, which is also quite nice, a soft feel. And here we have this really high quality style braided cable, also with extremely high quality looking audio connectors at the back. We've got an inline remote, and it looks like here we have a mute switch for the microphone with indicator, which is very nice. Here we've got the Pro DAC audio adapter, and also we have the microphone. And of course we've got the carrying pouch, which again is this really nice fabric style material, which will definitely protect the headset from any kind of scratches when taking this into a backpack. So I would say let's try to attach this microphone. And I will change the cable out to the one which connects to the DAC. It's quite a long cord already, which is great. I'm not actually sure how long this is. Okay, the box actually doesn't say how long this cable is, but I assume it's almost 2 meters long, which is definitely long enough considering this part connects into the PC. Got that connected, and now all that's left is connecting this into the headset. And on the sides we can of course adjust the headset to sit more comfortably, and let's just put this on, and yeah, wow, these are very comfortable. So this is how they look. Definitely very nice, they feel very comfortable on the head. But yeah, wearing these, they feel extremely comfortable. They don't feel heavy at all. I think they come in at about 320 grams, which is on the more heavier side for a headset. But overall, really impressed. The build quality feels great. Extremely high quality finish on these, I must say. I'm extremely impressed for a gaming headset of this kind. It's, yeah, for the money, a great value. What do you think? I think they actually look quite nice. Not too big and also not too heavy, which is excellent. Right, so this is a tiny test of the audio quality. I'm just importing the video I just shot right now. And yeah, let me know in the comments below how you think the audio sounds. So I hope you've enjoyed my quick and first impressions unboxing and overview of the Logitech G Pro X headset. And if you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up below. Write a comment what you think, which headsets are you using right now, and if you like more of these videos, make sure to subscribe because I've got a lot more coming up soon about keyboards and more exciting stuff. So thanks for watching and see you next one. Bye.